Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Last and previous topic we studied about the formation of present indefinite tense in affirmative or negative. Today we will learn and we will study about interrogative sentence of present indefinite tense. So today's topic is present indefinite tense interrogative sentence. Present indefinite tense. Which type of sentence? Interrogative. Interrogative sentences. My dear students, every tenses there are only two types of interrogative sentence. One is start with the helping verb of the tense, and second is the what family. WH family इसका नाम है, WH या what family, WH family. You have to focus WH family. This is really very beneficial or fruitful for you, my dear. So we will discuss about interrogative sentence of present indefinite tense. You know very well, does and do. Does and do is the helping verb of present indefinite tense. And if we make any sentence, if we make sentences with the do or does, with the help of do or does, we can easily get the answer of those questions, yes or no. So in this way we can say it is also called yes no type, yes no type questions. Such sentences we can easily get the answer with yes or no. Like this sentence, does your mom, or you can write your mother, does your mother teach you? Does your mother do or does is the helping of present indefinite tense. Does your mother teach you at home? And my dear students, don't forget you have to put at last question mark here. Otherwise, if you make sentence, does your mother teach you at home, and you have to write here full stop, sign of exclamation, etc., your sentence is wrong. So this is grammar. Try to know the importance of grammar. Does your mother teach you at home? Maybe your answer in affirmation or negation, it's totally up to you. Based on this sentence, does your mother teach you at home? Your answer may be yes. My mother does. No, you can say no, my mother doesn't. My mother does is in affirmation, ये स्वीकृति को दिखाता है, एक्सेप्टेंस को शो करता है, and my mother does not, ये नेगेशन को दिखाता है. So my dear students, we can easily get the answer of yes or no. Does your mother teach you at home? क्या आपकी मम्मी आपको घर पे पढ़ाती है? Your answer may be yes, my mom teach. No need to write this sentence completely. Yes, my mother teach us या teach me at home. No need to say. You can say in English, yes, my mother does. The sentence has complete meaning. No, my mother doesn't. This sentence has also complete meaning. So my dear students, we can say if subject it does. The formation of the sentence do or does plus subject plus first form. Always remember this thing. Do or does. You have to choose one. If subject is in singular number or plural number, I have already told you. Do or does plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object, and at last you have to put question mark. And based on this sentence structure, you make some sentences easily. Like this. One more example. Do the students learn their lesson? Do the students learn their lesson? Your answer, yes, the students learn. No, the students does not. Oh, sorry, don't. So in this way we can make more and more sentences. This sentence is called yes no type question answer. जिनका उत्तर हमें yes और no में प्राप्त होता है, ऐसे सेंटेंस को हम क्या कहते हैं? yes no type question answer. So my dear students, you have to do more and more practice to make sentence by yourself and herself. One more thing for you. If negative word never is used in the sentence, और पहले हम लोग बात करेंगे, डिस्कस करेंगे WH फैमिली. WH फैमिली में आप लोग समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू ट्राई व्हाट इज WH फैमिली. What, why, where, how much also, how much, how many, whose, who, etc. जितने भी हमारे पास क्वेश्चन वर्ड होता है, जिनसे हम लोग क्या करते हैं, क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड द WH फैमिली. What, why, where, how much, how many, whose, who, etc. These are in WH family. How can we make sentence in present indefinite tense? Interrogative. So my dear students, we will make some sentences based on WH family. But we cannot get the answer yes or no. We have to give the reason. Like question word, QW denotes question word, then you have to use do or does. According to subject, question word, then do or does, then subject. Always remember these things. If you are going to use does, your subject is in singular number. If you are going to use do, your subject will be in plural number. Question word, then do or does, then subject, then only first form of the verb. Always remember this thing. First form of the verb, then object, and you should not forget, you have to put question mark at last. Like this present indefinite tense. For example, why does Sita Okay. Why does Sita make? Why does Sita make? And you can use here next verb according to the sense of sentence. Why does Sita draw this beautiful सीनरी लिख सकते हैं एंड यू कैन से पिक्चर. वी हैव फॉर्मेट क्वेश्चन वर्ड then do and does as per the choice of subject. If subject is in singular number we have to use does, if subject is in plural number we have to use does. Why does Sita draw? No need to add s or es with the first form of the verb. You have to use only first form of the verb. Why does Sita draw this beautiful picture? One more example. Why do not, negative, why do not, okay, affirmative sentence. Why do you, why do you play here? Why do you play here? This is the based on this sentence structure. Question word, then do according to your subject, then play is the first form of the verb, and here is the object. So why do you play here? So you have to give the reason or cause in your response, my dear. Now we will make some other example based on this structure. Now what does Sita hear? What does Sita hear? How much, also question word, how much milk do you require, or how much milk do you take every day, etc. Always remember these things, my dear students. Only 3 words in English. How much, how many, whose. These three, look at the board. How much, how many, whose. These 3 words, these 3 interrogative words, question word, always follows noun with itself. ये how much, how many और whose, इसको समझने की कोशिश करिए. Try to understand my dear students. How much and how many और whose जब भी इनका यूज सेंटेंस में होगा, ये हमेशा क्या करें, किसी नाउन को फॉलो करेंगे. It's called related noun. What's called related noun? If how much, how many, whose we use in the question word, हम इसको क्वेश्चन वर्ड के लिए यूज करते हैं. ऐसी कंडीशन में ऑलवेज उसके साथ कोई ना कोई नाउन दिया होगा. लाइक दिस सेंटेंस, हाउ मच. हमारे पास स्ट्रक्चर था क्वेश्चन वर्ड. क्वेश्चन हाउ मच इज आल्सो अ क्वेश्चन वर्ड. आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन हियर क्वेश्चन वर्ड हाउ मच. नो नीड टू यूज डू डज आफ्टर दैट. हाउ मच you have to use with noun. Like this, how much milk. Milk you know very well. Milk is a noun. how much milk you have to understand. There are 5 nouns in English, proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, collective noun, etc. So you have to, if you do not what type of noun is milk, you have to read the chapter kinds of noun. How much milk do you take every day? How much always follow the noun.